When she starts to pull away, your mind goes into overdrive. You replay conversations, analyze her tone, and wonder what you did wrong. But here's the truth. Her distance isn't your signal to chase. It's your test to stay calm, centered, and strong. Every man, at some point, faces this moment. The sudden change, the slower replies, the emotional distance. And inside, there's that quiet panic, the urge to fix it, to reach out, to close the gap. But the moment you chase her energy, you lose your own. You trade your peace for anxiety. You give away your power hoping to earn connection. A Stoic man knows better. He understands that love and connection cannot be forced. They must flow naturally. So when she starts to withdraw, he doesn't react. He observes. He breathes. He stays still. Understanding what's happening when a woman pulls away, it doesn't always mean the end. Sometimes she's confused, overwhelmed, or simply testing the emotional balance between you. Maybe life has stressed her. Maybe she's checking if your confidence depends on her validation. Or maybe she's no longer aligned, and that's okay too. Whatever the reason, your reaction will define what happens next. Chasing, pleading, or over-explaining never rekindles attraction. It only confirms her doubts. Distance is her space to think. Your job is not to invade that space, but to master your own. The Stoic approach, the Stoic man doesn't try to control what he cannot. He focuses on his own actions, his own emotions, and his own peace. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." That's your mantra now. Her distance is an outside event. Your thoughts, your patience, your discipline, those are within your control. When you feel the urge to text again, pause. When you want to check her social media, stop. When you start doubting yourself, remind your mind, I am enough as I am. Your calmness will do more than any message ever could. Reclaiming your power, most men lose strength because they tie their identity to how she feels about them. When she's close, they're confident. When she's distant, they're broken. That's not love. That's dependency. The Stoic path teaches detachment, not as coldness, but as freedom. When you stop needing constant reassurance, you start becoming whole. When you stop reacting to her silence, you start hearing your own voice again. Use this time to return to your core. Focus on your mission, your fitness, your purpose. Reconnect with the things that make you strong, independent of anyone else's presence. Women are naturally drawn to men who can hold their emotional ground. When you're steady, she feels it. When you chase, she feels that too. What to do instead of chasing? Here's what a grounded man does when she pulls away. He stays calm. No emotional outbursts. No desperate texts. Just presence. He gives her space. Respect her silence. Let her come to her own conclusions. He reflects, not reacts. Ask yourself, am I being true to my values? Did I lose my balance trying to please her? Growth begins with honest reflection. He recenters his focus. Pour your time into your goals, your mind, your body. Remember, attention is energy. Stop feeding what drains you. He leads with composure. Even in uncertainty, he carries peace. That's real strength. By doing this, you communicate something powerful, that you value connection, but not at the cost of self-respect. The mindset shift the modern world teaches men to seek validation through attention. But Stoicism teaches the opposite, to find peace through detachment. Detachment doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you care without losing yourself. It means you can love someone deeply and still remain whole if they step back. If she truly values you, your calm energy will bring her closer again. If she doesn't, then her distance just revealed the truth. And that's a gift, not a loss. Remember, no genuine connection requires chasing. Attraction thrives in respect, not in pursuit. So let her move as she needs to. You move too forward, focused, and free. Real-life Stoic practice. Here's a simple exercise you can try right now. When you feel the urge to reach out, pause for 60 seconds. In that minute, breathe deeply. Ask yourself 3 things. What do I control right now? What emotion am I trying to escape? What action reflects strength, not fear? That small moment of awareness separates reactive men from Stoic men. It's in that gap between emotion and action where your power lives. So the next time she pulls away, don't chase her energy. Protect yours. Let your calmness speak louder than your words. Let your consistency show your value. And let your peace become your most attractive quality. You can't lose what's meant for you. And what leaves your life was never yours to beg for. Real men don't chase, they attract through strength, purpose, and presence. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to breathe, refocus, and stand tall. Remember, strength isn't about control, it's about composure. Like this video if it helped you stay grounded. And subscribe for more Stoic wisdom to guide your journey. Until next time, stay calm, stay focused, and stay true to yourself.